Welcome back to the channel. As you saw from the previous clip, it's snowing a little bit outside. And with winter, we slow down our camping, and hopefully we'll still get out and do some cold weather camping, or definitely some trail rides, day trips, as well as some maintenance. Trying to figure out an oil leak still. So that's an issue. But like I said, we're going to be slowing down some through the winter. We'll still be trying to get out and be active a little bit. I'll still try to put out some content. Let me know if you want to see some equipment content. If there's any of the equipment that you've seen us use you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll try to get some videos out on equipment. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be working on the 48. So I'm going to put a link below this video to the YouTube channel I have for that. That's old Thunderbolt the Willys Jeep. That's the name of the channel. But like I said, I'll put a link below. So if this is moving slow, the Wrangler and the Overlanding channel, hopefully you'll jump over to the Thunderbolt the Willys Jeep channel. I've also got a couple of podcasts out, a couple of episodes of In the Driver's Seat, talking off-roading and Jeeps with my friends. Let me know if you want to see some more of that as well. I'll try to get another podcast, get somebody over here, get them in the passenger seat, and talk over off-roading and Jeeps. So hopefully you'll check out both channels, and thanks for watching.